Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Panzer Vulpaphyla Imprint, updated. Start by locating nests and events that drop imprint fragments, then collect fragments until you reach a usable amount. Combine fragments at the imprint altar to create a base imprint, then socket it into your Panzer core. Track bonuses and avoid identical stacks that yield reduced value, and plan which attributes you need most for your build. For gathering fragments, focus on event windows and high spawn zones to maximize drops. Bring a group to clear nests faster and use scanning items to reveal hidden spawns. Prioritize daily missions that award guaranteed fragments and trade extra resource drops into jewelry or salvage to fund further runs. Keep a small inventory buffer so you can collect multiple fragment types without returning to base mid-session. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long grind sessions and fits cup holders, so you won't miss a loot window. It seals well and is easy to carry between nests. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When crafting and socketing, first combine fragments to form a stable imprint at the altar, then review attribute tiers carefully. Pick imprints that support your Panzer's role, whether tanking, damage, or utility. Use the attunement tool to socket the imprint into the Panzer core and confirm the binding to activate bonuses. If an imprint underperforms, you can salvage it for partial fragments and reuse resources toward a better result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.